Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your password at BambooHR. First things first, we have to log in into our BambooHR workspace and then head straight to top right corner. We have our options or settings here, and then we have your own info. There should be your photo, your name, or a name of your company. Straight away, the second option to click on is change password, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is write down your current password and then confirm it twice with your new password. It's completely easy, and also you'll see of how many checks you have. So if you want to add a new one, it's writing down all that you need to fulfill all the needs, and then just confirm the password and save it. Pretty much that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.